Tens of thousands of older pensioners may still be missing out on thousands of pounds because of a state pension error that mainly affects women who spent time raising children. The problem is linked to missing home responsibilities protection, a system that was meant to stop parents and carers being penalized in retirement for years spent out of work. The DWP has estimated that around 187,000 people were affected, with roughly 43,000 of them now deceased, and the total amount still owed has been put at around £1.3 billion. The issue goes back to people who claimed child benefit before May 2000. In some cases, if a national insurance number was not properly recorded on the claim, the protection was never transferred onto the person's national insurance record. That then left gaps in the record used to calculate state pension entitlement, which meant some people ended up being underpaid for years without realizing it. Women now in their 60s and 70s are among those most likely to have been affected. What makes this especially serious is the scale of the underpayments. The average amount owed has been estimated at around £5,000 per person, but in some individual cases the sums can be far higher. If an error is confirmed, national insurance records can be corrected, state pension payments can be recalculated, and arrears can be paid as a lump sum, with future weekly pension payments increased as well. HMRC and the DWP have already been writing to people who may be affected, and hundreds of thousands of letters have gone out. But concerns have been raised that many older people still may not realize they are missing money, especially because the communication has leaned heavily on online checking and online claims. There is also a paper route available through Form CF411, and people can ask HMRC for that if they cannot or do not want to apply online. The bigger message is that this is not a small technical glitch. It is a major pension correction exercise that could mean a significant back payment for people who spent years caring for children and were then shortchanged in retirement. Anyone who claimed child benefit between 1978 and 2010, especially before May 2000, may have reason to check whether their national insurance record is missing protection that should have been there.